So hi guys and welcome to 4random Game Wednesday. Yay! Where today we'll be playing 4random games. Now I got to play fleeing from the complex. Fleeing the complex. Okay. Yeah. Oh, by the way, I already watched the teaser. It's about like I forget the leader name. I should download the Henry Stickmin collection for the bios. The leader was like Henry Stickmin stole a ruby, break into a bank, escape from the prison, infiltrate the airship, and then he locks him up in the wall. Even though that's illegal because Henry Stickmin has been pardoned from all of his crimes, depending on which universe he's in. Oh, there's a secret ending, by the way, in completing the mission called Multiverse Correction. And it confirms that these endings are multiverses. So, yeah, it depends on which ending you're talking about, if this is illegal or not. If you're talking about, like, the government supported of being pardoned, yeah, that's the one illegal. To lock him up. Other than that, yeah. Anyway, play. Also, it tells you how to get each achievement except the 3 secret achievements, which is...
Hello, Henry.
Hello.
Welcome to the wall. Some of the most cunning and notorious criminals are kept here. Now we have the infamous Henry Stickmin.
Henry Stickmin.
You're going to be here for a long time. Grigori, take him.
Grigori.
You wait here until it's so found.
You wait here until it's so over. Ellie! Okay, we got Ellie here. Boost up. I remember this back in 2018. I know it was one of the OGs. I actually might have played 2015 when it was first released. I don't know, I know I'm an OG. Not OG. Veteran. Yeah, not OG. Veteran. And now, I like the Henry Stickmin collection. I should download Henry Stickmin collection. You're welcome.
And I'm like, look at how much I care. I don't care. I ended up buffing up my guys doing like 70 damage. That's funny.
Now, as we all know, the real one is synchronized takedown. But we need this in our lives, you know? Yeah? You gonna join in? There you go. I just want... Hey, it's the memes, and you better accept the memes. I mean, it became a meme this year, and this was released 2018. Whatever, it's not the meme, okay? Accept the meme. Shh. They're sleeping, right? I hope they are. I should also download Among Us. Henry Stickmin and Ellie are pets, apparently. Guys, we need to contact Puffballs United and make Charlie a pet. Come on, rise up with me. We need Charlie to be a pet. Okay, anyway. The Force. He's so
Right there, mates.
Let's see that in instant replay. Are you ready? Village Dorters done with participants. Find me, mate. I'll wreck you. Start to the bread and pepperoni. Eggs noob slayer. Okay, let's be serious. I know the true one. I think this guy was thinking when he got shocked. And I mean shocked. Yeah, we have to toss them.
There is convict here.
Oh shit. No! No, you can't. You cannot take my friend. You have to make a face. Yes. You'll be upset by a truck. Motorbike. No, Ellie, you betrayed me, you bastard! Oh, never mind. You're not a bastard. You're not a bastard. Sorry, Ellie. I doubted you. Come on, let's go. Rank convict allies. Okay, I'm just gonna watch the credits to get another achievement. Well, there's a map now. Yeah, the map popped up back in fleeing the complex. Credit to team. Thank you. And let's go to menu. Next game, guys. Time for the next. Remember in one of our earlier Random Game Wednesday episodes, I put something called Death Chase. They released the sequel. That's fate. Yeah, it's random games, guys. This is the true most random game. Oh, of course it don't load. That's what I expect from you, Friv, to not load. I don't expect very great expectations of Friv sometimes. Except the long-awaited sequel. You know what? Yeah, it's awaited, so I can, use this as individual. I don't know. Okay, so yeah, I'll play for 3 minutes. I was already behind schedule. Oh no, it's loading again. This is the quality stuff you subscribe for. A loading screen of a white line. Shoot. I can move with arrows, right? Oh my god, seriously, this should add WSD. I'm moving! Oh yeah, I'm supposed to press this. E. I have to sign? I can sign? What the hell? Why is there chainsaws? Okay, I need answers right now. Why is there chainsaws? Also, I just killed the car. Oh, this is like the first game. This is like the first game. Excuse me, but this is like the first... like FIFA? And how they're like, what you call it? They're always like, oh, it's a new game, and every game's the same. It's same case with Death Chase. Same case with Death Chase. This game is literally the same. Oh, boom. Okay. It's just a couple of obstacles added, and that is it. It's literally the same map. I remember. Oh my god. My disappointment is immeasurable, and my days are. Not that my expectations were high in the first place, but hey. Me going from first place to fourth place, parkour. No! Beat hit! Okay. This is the game's revenge for calling it now good. Is it? I know this is. Because I begin to lose as soon as I see something bad. I see. Boom, boom, boom. Boom, boom, guys. I mean, I dig the music, I guess. It's literally the same map with like 3 new obstacles. And a finish at a different place and a different map. That's it. But the map is still the same. Like, the obstacles are like 80% the same the first game. Oh, okay. I'm angry at the game now. Garage. What can we customize with our car? With new soundtracks also. Whoa, we sure made bank. You. Bye. We also need... No, I don't want. And we also need bigger wheels to pummel our opponents with. Nice. Oh, what? Oh, it's just fancier wheels. Oh, okay. What time is it, guys? Next game, guys. I downloaded a new game. Weekdays of Wilbur. Yay. It's like a remastered version. There's a Wilbur plushie. Load faster, please. Then we're going to be playing Circus Baby's Diner. 2 new games have entered the fray. Why? Because Five Nights at Maniac Mania, the last thing I have to beat is like endless mode, which is 30 minutes. That's going to be the Horror Thursday episode tomorrow. Oh my god. Warning, this game contains flashing light, loud noises, and intense imagery. Intense imagery? I like that it's just called Weekdays. Never before have I been scared by the menu screen. Monday. Upon understand. Is that a phone call?
Hey, glad to see you.
This is not Weekdays of Wilbur's.
Now, before we get started, I just want to inform you that this restaurant has nothing to do with the one that was located here previously. After the incident, the owner of that place pretty much lost everything he had. How that exactly happened? Still a mystery to pretty much everyone. So little information is known about it, but we're getting off topic. You being new here, I have to run down the basics. We are currently in the process of moving our animatronic mascot.
This is not the game I saw Fusion Z Gamer play. I repeat, this is not the game that I saw Fusion Z Gamer play.
And you're prone to any...
I'm gonna download the right game. Before that, I opened Word by accident. No. No. Before that mix-up, I actually did not know that this was actually a completely different game in the same game. You know what I mean? So, never trust Fusion Z Gamer. If you played the game recently, do not download the most recent game, because Fusion Gamer downloads games 4 months too streams games 4 months too late. Then again, it's been like what, 3 months, 7 months this one happened. am I even recording? Cool. See this is just a true game. Continue. Monday. Weekdays not responding. Respond, please. I beg of you. Just respond. Up.
Now, before we get started, I just want to inform you that this restaurant has...
After like, how many tries? This is the 3rd try of getting it right. This better be the right game, okay? If you want me to play those 2 games, let me know. Oh, yeah, this is the right one. I know, because of this funky music. Oh no, my mouse is sucking me right now. Sucking me? It's being sucky on me. It's being sucking on me. It's being sucking at the game on me. I'm just shortening words at this point, so that's what sounds weird. I got scared by a Wilbur mask. That's how not scared of...
Hey, glad to see you made it here on time. Now, before we get started,
Oh,
I
okay.
just want to inform you that this restaurant has nothing to do with the one that was located here previously. After the incident, the owner of that place pretty much lost everything he had. How that exactly happened? Still a mystery to pretty much everyone. So little information is known about it, but we're
Hello, my name is Wilbur, and the seagull. Why is the turtle staring to my soul? Why am I asking so many questions? See, this, I know. And this is giving me intense Five Nights at Candy's vibe. That's what I'm going to say right now.
prone to anything like theophobia or you're just uncomfortable with animatronic mascots moving, we recently installed manual doors on the left and right of the
Dogs use too much because of the power.
Like I said,
Thank you, you're helpful.
so we're currently running
87% and it's...
we try to conserve as much power as we can.
Oh no.
First day should be a breeze for you.
Ah!
Talk to you tomorrow.
Just gonna shut both doors? Yeah, I need to close the door on you. You're gone, right? I am so scared, guys, you don't even know. Please go. I'm scared. I'm like legit scared. No. I don't like the ambience. It's safe if I do like this, right? I'm safe. I hate the ambience. Can we not have this ambience, please? I would appreciate it if we do not have this ambience. Leave me alone! Oh my god, power. 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 Oh. Yay! Next, I gotta watch Fusion Gamer of like which side the seagull would come from. Hello. It's hard. What? What is a wilbur? How do you exit? How do you exit? How do you exit? I have no idea how to exit. Ah, that's all. I gotta check out Fusion Z Gamer's video of like which I see because okay guys, you know what time is it? It's next game time. Yay. Remember? On like one of my first, actually I think the first random game episode, the second one. The second 4random game episode on the laptop. The first one, as you know, was on the phone. On the laptop. Okay. I'm just gonna keep saying. Oh. I think I know what I must do, guys.